So to start off on this project, I'm just cutting two pieces which I'm going to glue together to form one large piece. The reason why I do this is because they don't really sell that large of pieces in the shop, so I have to glue them together. Anyway, let's make a fire. Okay, let's light the fire. So the reason why I am making this fire is to Suzuki band the piece. So I'm just going to keep doing that until it looks really good. If you do not already know, Suzuki banding is virtually just a process of charring the surface of wood to make it last longer. I'm not using it to make the wood last longer, I'm just using it to make it look sort of slightly charred. I've never tried this technique, so I hope it looks nice. Anyway, I'm just sanding it. I'm trying to get down to the desired colour of chart. I've been sanding this for a while now. I've almost done, which is about that colour. So now I'm happy with the colour. I'm just varnishing it with some olive oil. I've actually got a whole video about the olive oil trick, which I seem to use all the time. So I did a bit of maths and I figured out that I need to cut 3 of these, which is the same width of here to here, and in between each one is going to be a gap of 3.6. So let's cut out 3 of these. So now I'm just cutting 3 pieces of pine. It's actually alt decking. After that, I'm just going to cut 2 pieces for the legs of the coffee table. I really like cutting wood. It's a really relaxing process, especially if you've got a good music soundtrack on. Anyway, now I'm just cutting those pieces in half. After I've done that, now I'm just getting the pieces of pine which I cut earlier, and I'm just cutting in a section so the legs fit in there perfectly. And after I've cut all those pieces, then I'm just going to get a piece of wood and wrap some sandpaper around it to smooth it out. And now I'm just doing some more measuring. So I just cut 4 of these little pieces and I'm going to put them right on here, so like there. So let's staple them on. I am doing this so the bottom shelf can rest on it. So after stapling all those in, I'm just cutting a piece of thin plywood to support the back, because I want it to have like a sort of floating look, like the look that you have on a deck on a house. So I'm just going to glue those pieces on. I've got little spaces in between, 5mm gap between each one. Okay, so I'm now going to Suzuki band the rest of it. I'm actually just going to stop talking and put on some music so you can enjoy the process. Okay, so after I've varnished it now, I'm going to assemble it all together. I don't usually use nails on my YouTube channel, but I had to use nails because, well, it would get joined together quicker and probably stronger. So I'm just banging the nails in. So the moment of truth, I'm going to attach it to the top. So if this goes wrong, it could make the whole coffee table wonky. So I'm trying my hardest to keep everything straight. So thank you so much for watching that video of me making a little coffee table. If you like this type of content, please consider smashing that thumbs up button and subscribing. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!